Jai Shri Krishna to all of you with the blessing of Shri Krishna. Here I am Satyam and I am going to explain you about the chapters. Which chapter I am talking about? As we all know in the Mahabharata, the Shri Krishna teach the 18th chapter to the Arjuna. Same as just for a few minutes just think that I am Shri Krishna and you are Arjuna. But apart from the Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita, I am going to teach you a new lesson of your life which is impacting to your life in daily basis. Is your network and connection. Before telling about that, I want to introduce myself. I am Satyam and it's my pleasure to represent in front of you today. So, what is the meaning of the network and the connection? The network means association, community, communication, society and a lot of things which is in a group. As we all know, our society has a particular group, our association has a group. This group is known as a network. It means how many persons do you know? This is your network. If I talk about what is the meaning of the connection means that as we all know, you have a better network. You need a connection too. Whenever you will have a connected with any person, this is called your connection. Therefore, there is one the great code writer, the Tony Robbins. He said that the quality of your connection determines the quality of your life. As your connection, as your relationship with, that will define your lifestyle. So you need to make a better connection and a better network. If I go ahead and take about what about the my network and connection, in the my network connection, there are a lot of the persons and people. In my coaching also there are the friends. I have a good connection with the friends also. I have a good connection with teachers also. Not in coaching, in schools also. Even I have a better connection with my family also. If I talk about what are the advantages and disadvantages. In advantage, I want to declare that as we all know, whenever any friend zone is there, if it is in a friend zone, there are the 10 members. So if it is any person is doing something wrong and they have a better connection, there is a strong connection, there is a strong relationship between them, definitely they will get a positive feedback which will definitely help to increase their personality development and a lot of the things present in there, professional growth, even in the success also. If I talk about the next, what is about the disadvantage of the network connection, because we all know where the advantage is present, definitely there is disadvantage also present. So in a disadvantage, and lot of the disadvantage we get from a big connection. So as I given the example of the 10 friend zone. So there will be the person who will be not something disturbed from the mind. So definitely a person will be compare himself to another person. And the comparison is a common thing which is happening in every friend zone. And not only the friend zone, even in the family functions also, in the coachings also. So these are the things which make pressure to the student. So this is one of the disadvantage. If I conclude this point with few lines, so lines are that as we all know, our relationship is like a garden. It needs a love, attention and care. Same as our life is also. But if it is you are giving this thing to your relationship, definitely your relationship will be strong. But remember these three principles of life. First is patience. If it is you have a patience, remember one thing that you are in the work in progress. You need a patience. Second is that maturity. When to speak and when to keep quiet. When to stand up strong and when to adjust and bend down. This is called a maturity. The third is that stay balanced. In your relationship, a lot of the problems will come. The many things will come as a struggle also. You have to need to stay balanced and make your relationship strong. Fourth, but not at the least, is that the say only when a words are better than silence. Thank you.